What's up, you guys? My name is TEEDAY6 and welcome to my channel. So today my client's mother requested a specific style for her birthday. So I'm going to be doing stitch braids today. And to start off, after detangling her hair, I began to pre-part the hair in the way that I wanted her braids to go. To ensure that my parts were nice and crisp, I used the All Day Locks braid gel. I use it for locks, I use it for braids, I use it for parting. I just love it. If you guys are like me and you don't like running all over town looking for a product, in my description box you will find a link below where you can purchase this product. And I will try to keep this in real time just so you guys can really see exactly what I'm doing. Once I've made sure that my parts are nice and crisp, I'm going to part the very start of the braid and I'm going to separate it from the rest. Once I've separated it from the rest, I will take that little piece and I will separate it into 3 strands. And then I will begin to braid those 3 strands. And once I've started forming a braid, then I'm going to take the opposite hand and I'm going to use the claw to part a straight line. I will then take the hair that I just parted and ease it into the fingers that's holding the cornrow. And once I've done that, I will continue to feed that hair in with the cornrow, and then I will move to the opposite side and I will part it with the claw and do the same thing. And I will repeat this step all the way until I get to the end of the cornrow. Again, parting the hair, easing it into the braid, parting the other side, easing it into the braid as well. Don't mind my baby. Lately he's been making special appearances in either my recordings or my videos. I love him so much. Okay, so now in this cornrow, I'm going to show you how to add hair in with it. She wanted to go with the color blue, so I'm going to be adding a blue strand. So I'm going to do everything the same. The only difference is once I part the hair, not only will I grab the side that I just parted and ease it into the cornrow, I will also be grabbing the blue strand and easing it in there as well. I will pinch it with my index finger and my thumb, and then I will leave one end out and use the other end to braid into the cornrow. Part it on the opposite side and I will feed that hair into the cornrow. And then I will take the blue strand that was hanging out and I will ease that into my forefinger and thumb. And then I will take my claw, part the opposite side, and feed that in as well. And repeat this step until complete. Now for these kind of braids, you can braid down once or twice or however many times you feel comfortable with before feeding in your next strand of hair. Now because her braids are all of a certain thickness, I only added 3 strands of hair to ensure that it wasn't way bigger than the other braids. And for the front cornrows, I did not add hair while stitch braiding. I didn't add her hair until I already started braiding down. Then I proceeded to feed in the hair as I was braiding down to complete the braid. She had a total of 7 stitch braids going up into the ponytail and 2 braids in the front. And of the 7 braids creating the ponytail, I only used blue extension hair for 3 of them. The 2 on the sides in the front and then in the back. Once I've completed her stitch braids, then I grouped her hair all up into a ponytail and I proceeded to wrap it around itself to form a knot. You can create a plait and then wrap it, or you can just wrap it. Just make sure that it's a tight wrap. And then for her ponytail, I crocheted in Freetress braid deep twist. Now for this particular style, I wish we had gone with the water wave pattern, but we were already here. I will leave a link down below for all of the items that I used, including the hair. It'll be down below in my description box. Now for the crochet portion, I'm doing the rubber band method. Once I've completed the rubber band method, I'm going to separate 2 smaller pieces of the ends and then tie it into a knot. The next step was to add beads. The last step is going to be to cut her hair. I love this particular length right here, but it was requested to be a little shorter. Now, if you would like to recreate this style, you can always go longer. I just wanted to put that out there. So this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for your love and support, just for watching the video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and share it with a friend. Also, I'm on other social media sites, so if you have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, go ahead and hit that follow button. You can find me under TEEDAY6 or TEEDAY Tiffany. Bye!